Okay, next we're going to add edging to our project. Now what we're going to do is use this EasyScape edging tool here. Okay, and that's going to give us several different tool types. Now the tool of choice to use on edging is this freeform curve tool. And when I click OK, you'll see here I have a few edging patterns to choose from. I'm going to select Tiger Edging 5. Okay, and what we want to do here is I just want to click along the front of this bed like so, and I want to try to keep these points evenly spaced apart. I don't want to bunch them up too much. Okay, and I'm just going to come over here to this edge right here, and then I'll right click. Okay, now let's click away from that so you can see what it looks like. Alright, so when you do this, you can come in and you can adjust these points to fine tune those. Okay, and you'll see that when you do that, that pattern, it changes just a little bit each time that you make just a minor adjustment on there. So you may need to fiddle with it just a little bit to get the bricks to look a little bit better. Now when you have this selected, you can also change the thickness of that edging. So right now it's about an average thickness, but you can make it thinner or wider by going over here to the workspace in the Properties tab, the first tab here, and you can change the scale. So changing the scale, when I use that slider, what that does is it changes the scale horizontally within that pattern. If I use the slider here where it says size, what that does, that makes those thicker. Okay, which if you want to make it thinner, you just slide it over a little bit this way to the left, and now it's a little bit thinner. Okay, so now if I wanted to come around this way on this, I would want to add another piece of edging there. I wouldn't want to curl this around, because what happens when you curl it, then the mortar lines get twisted there. So you would use a single piece on the front, and then around the corner there you would use a separate piece. Okay, and that's how we add edging to our image editor project.